Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Neira. If you haven't already, you better subscribe, because yes, I will be dropping a lot more natural hair videos because I'm trying to leave my hair out for this month. But yeah, don't hold me on that for real. But today I will be showing you how to do this Fulani inspired braid style on your natural hair. I seen this on Pinterest and I was like, oh, this is cute. And it's pretty simple, so I just wanted to show you how I did that. First, of course, we're going to start with parting. I didn't show you the whole parting process because, yeah, my hair was like tangled and it was taking too long, but this is how I parted it. And I got the main part that I will start with in the middle, right there, because that's like the main piece. Alright, so I know y'all see me spritz water on my hair. Don't do that. Like, I didn't blow dry my hair this time because I was like, I usually blow dry my hair when I'm about to just put on my wig so I could just leave my hair alone. So I didn't want to blow dry it for this style. Do not wet your hair. Just try to really comb out your hair, because when I did wet my hair, it's like my hair kept tangling. Like, every time that I braided, it's like I had to run my hands through the whole length of my hair. And it took forever. But that gel that y'all seen, I am using I think it's the Style Factor gel. You could get whatever color because it's the same formula, it's just the scent is different. But I'm doing that. I'm just corn rolling my hair. I left this at normal speed just to show y'all it. I'm not showing y'all the whole braiding process because it was a lot. But right here you can see I'm like struggling just to braid the hair because my hair kept shrinking and getting tangled. I was just like, dang, like I thought of blow drying it, but I know I didn't want to blow dry it because I'm trying to keep heat off my hair when my natural hair is out. I usually don't blow dry until I'm about to put on my wig. Alright, like I said, I didn't show the whole braiding process because I feel like you gotta just do the same thing. It's just, you know, cornrow your whole front hair. I only showed the front because in the back I did like a wash and go. If you want to actually plait the back, you could also do that, or like do twists, you could do that. But I just did a wash and go and stuff, just easier. You could also do twist out, braid out. And I think I'll probably do one of those also. But in the front, like, you could clearly leave the front of your hair for like a while, and then the back you could do whatever you want for it. Yes, this is also a protective style. So we are at the crossover part, like the little front where it'll cross over. I'm just showing you how it look. But like right here, what I did was just braid it, crossover, and then braid it until I would reach the next part of my hair to cornrow down. And that's it. So like there's not like a gap. You would continue to braid and then connect with the other part of the hair. So that's how you would cross over. I don't know if that makes sense. I hope it did. Let me know in the comments if it did or not. But, and then right here, I'm about to be done. Alright, so we're done. Like, look at my forehead, bruh. But we are done. And this style is like really cute, and like right in the middle where like the crossover part is, you could put a hair decorative thing or whatever you want to put. And in the back I just did a wash and go like I stated earlier, and you're done. It's a cute style. But be sure to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already.